Hi, today I want to change my radio. My radio is JBL original sound system, so there is speaker is JBL 2, and there way factory fitting is M2. So that's why when you have to buy, I buy this thing is what is called Android system. So this Chinese brand is not branded, and they give me a couple harness. So this is just going is one way. So you have to just find it out where you have to fit and just put it in. This cannot fit in like different sockets. So this is just one way. So they give me a couple different. So this is a CAN bus. So this should be maybe for sound. So if you have a JBL, so you have to tell them I have a JBL and they have a factory fitting is M, so they give you right one harness, so then you have to more easy. So okay, so start it. So we have to first pull up this thing. This is one piece here, two is this little piece. Then we have to take it out this and this. Okay, so for this pop-up you have to use those things, or just using just hand take it out. So let's just do it with the hand. And the thing is coming out, stuck somewhere. Okay, let me just put this box on side. Okay, I know take it out is wire. I just put it on side. Second, this thing. Okay, this you can put it on side too. Here one is here is wire too. Just put it on side. No need to take it out. Then if you take it out, this is more easy. Okay, right there. Okay. Now we have a four is bolt. Is one is here, one is here. Same is other side. So just take his wrench and take a wrench or wrench, anything. So this size is 10, and wrench is more easy. So 10 is size. Take it out. Okay, I already take it out, and I use his stand and extension and wrench. Then just take it out straight. So everything is coming out. Here you go. And there back is harness. Just clip it out. One. Yes, I connected all the wire. So first this piece going in right there, then this top of piece LCD, then push button, then this is big panel, and I have a large space is here, so I just put it GPS antenna is right there. Okay, whatever they give me two harness, it cannot fit, so I buy extra from eBay, $35. So it's because I have a JBL sound system, so right now it's working. So okay, they have a clip, so I just push inside from back. Actually in big panel, and I already put it. This is a push start. Then install this one all together. Let me use my two hand. Okay, just now this is last piece. Okay, this is home page, home button, power, navigation, music, radio, Bluetooth, video setting, and this is app. This is for your music setup, whatever you want, bass, more, up, down, file, other thing, and car information. So okay, I didn't buy for tires and OPD other stuff because my car have everything already, so I don't need it. Okay, I can go home. Okay, you see it's fitting very good and nice, look like fatty fitting, and also sound is very nice too, so I like it.